This little dude has survived millions of years of evolution, but tonight we find out if he can survive tequila, and it's only Wednesday night. All right, so check this out. I've got 3 different tequilas here, and then I've got this one, and this one might actually shock you, but we'll get to that. First, let's see what tequila does to this little dude. Okay, looks like we're in luck. I found 3 in 1 drop of water. Now this water came from my backyard in an old flower pot that had water on the bottom of it for about 3 weeks. So this is where I found these guys. So before we get these guys drunk, what the hell are these guys? So this little dude is a rotifer. It's a microscopic animal that's been around for hundreds of millions of years. You guys see that spinning crown? That's the corona. It creates a tiny vortex pulling bacteria and algae straight into its mouth. Then you've got this mastix. Basically, it's a tiny jaw system, a simple brain called the cerebral ganglion, and the stomach right here in the middle. Some can even dry out, shut down, and come back when the water returns. Hundreds of millions of years on Earth, but did they have tequila back then? Okay, first up is Patrón Silver. A lot of crazy memories with this guy. Let me get some in the pipette, like so, and I'm going to show you how I introduce it to the rotifers on the slide. So take the pipette, put on the side of the cover slip, and there you go. Okay, here's our 2 rotifers minding their own business. I'm going to introduce the Silver Patrón on the bottom of your screen. So watch the bottom, it's going to work its way to the top. Watch the wave hit them, and we'll watch their reaction. And their defense mechanism is, there it is, you guys, boom, do you see it? They'll curl up in a ball, and they'll stay there until the environment improves. So right now, I don't see any kind of crazy reactions from them. That's a good sign for Patrón, but I'm going to hit them again because it seems like they're doing pretty well. So watch the bottom of your screen. Here comes another shot of Patrón Silver. Boom, there it is, you guys. Let me get in the frame here so we can watch him. Let's move him over, there you go. So he'll curl up in a ball, but looks like he is starting to. There he goes, watch. You'll see him curl up in a ball. Looks like he's testing the water still. He doesn't like it. And there you go, he's in a ball. So he'll stay there until, like I said, the environment improves or the conditions are safe enough for him to come out. He's like a turtle, and they'll stay there for days and months until, like I said, the environment improves. Check that out, that's pretty cool. So I zoomed into 400 times, and we're basically looking right through this thing. You can see its digestive system, internal organs, and even what's sitting inside his stomach. And look how he's pulled his entire body in tight. And this is how these little guys have survived over millions of years. But tequila, yeah, evolution probably didn't see that one coming. Okay guys, this is the first time this has ever happened on this channel. I caught a rotifer at 1,000 times magnification. So this is pretty cool and epic. These little guys have survived mass extinctions. I'm telling you, climate shifts and millions of years of change. But Patrón, I don't think evolution prepared him for this one. Okay guys, let's go ahead and grab some Don Julio and a fresh rotifer because I think this little guy has officially checked out. Okay, you Don Julio lovers out there, I got the Tequila Blanco, and let's see how the rotifers do with Don Julio. They did pretty good at first with Patrón, but after the second blast, that was a wrap. So let me suck some out of here for you guys. Let's do this. Check this guy out. Our new fresh rotifer, he's very active. He's eating right now, so this is really good timing. So check out the anatomy. You see the cilia right there? His corona, it's creating a vortex, and you can see it looks like a tornado. It's pulling in all that debris, microorganisms, algae, everything else. It's really amazing how this whole thing works. And you can see that little thing moving right back there. That's a muscle, and it pushes the food back towards the stomach. And right above that is his jaw, and it breaks down all the debris. You see that stuff come out on the left? It's like a little vent. The stuff that's too large to go into his stomach or for him to chew, he kicks it out. Okay, let's go ahead and introduce some Don Julio. I'm gonna put this on the bottom of your screen, guys. So take a peek at that and watch it. Watch it hit him. And boom, there it is. That's a big shot of Don Julio. To us, probably like 3,000 gallons of liquor, tequila dropping on you. That's insane. Look at this guy. Here comes another wave right there. You see it? All right, let's see how, looks like he's almost going into a ball. Obviously, he noticed that his environment has changed. He's kind of peeking his head out like, what the hell? He's thinking, is it the weekend? Is it, is it drinking time? So there goes his cilia and his corona, checking things out. He's still feeding, checking the water out, creating that vortex. So this guy took it like a champ, you guys. This guy deserves a blue ribbon. I mean, come on. Remember now, Patrón. And boom, there's a second blast. See, I wanted to give him 2 blasts because we gave the Rotifer with a Patrón 2 blasts, so it's only fair, right? But again, this guy is like either Captain America or he's a raging alcoholic. I don't know. Anyways, let's go ahead and exit this Rotifer for Don Julio, and we're gonna move to Jose Cuervo Especial. That'll be scary. Don't lie, you guys. You know exactly what this is. I think we've all experienced this in probably a bad way. I did in high school. It was terrible. I still have bad memories and dreams. Anyways, let me take a sample of this. And get this party started! Enough of this, back to science. Jeez, okay, enough of that. Anyways, guys, I found 2 right here, and it looks like there's 1 dead one, and that was not me. I did not do that, just so you know. So it looks like they're just moving around. They're not eating, so let me move around the slide and see if I can find a rotifer that's actually eating. And just to remind you guys, this is from 1 tiny drop of water, of nasty water, from the bottom of a flower pot in my backyard. Okay, here he is, Rhodey the Rotifer. You know, I really kind of feel sorry for this guy because we are going to introduce Jose Cuervo Especial. And of all samples today, you, my friend, are the unlucky one. So watch the bottom right corner of your screen. I'm going to introduce the Jose Cuervo. And let's see if we can give him some bad memories and dreams. Okay, watch the bottom, you guys. Boom, there it is. There is Jose Cuervo Especial. 1 shot of this Jose Cuervo. Let's watch this guy for a little bit. Let me focus. And there's a little wave right there for you too. So let me move him in center here for you guys. And he's still eating. You can see the vortex. His cilia is out. And now he sensed something. He went back into his little shell. Now he's kind of feeling the environment. Something's not right. Definitely not right, especially if you drop 3,000 gallons of Jose Cuervo on you. This is where he starts to move around, trying to find a better location, because obviously that environment is not good. And this is what they do as well. One, they'll curl up in a ball to protect themselves, and 2, they'll find a better location. So it looks like he's kind of doing both. And right there, you guys, watch. He's kind of going into a ball, but he's still kind of unsure. He's doing his last test, and let's take a look at him. So right here, guys, he goes into his ball, and this is, again, his protective measure. And this is how they survived for millions of years. And I'm going to say something right now. Jose Cuervo Especial only took 1 shot for this dude to turn into a turtle and disappear for quite some time. The other ones, Patrón took 2 shots. Don Julio, 2 shots. But Jose Cuervo, take a look. Okay, guys, this is a wild card. Our 4th liquor, but I didn't show you what it is because there's a reason. Now let me undo the top here, and hopefully you guys didn't figure it out with this blur on there. Some of you might have. So let's take the cork off. Let me put this pipette down there, okay, and start sucking it through. All right. All right, let's go find a rotifer and get him drunk. Pour a nice little glass of this so maybe you can figure it out, but what do you guys think? Here, have a drink. Round and round it goes. Where it stops, the rotifer knows. Wow, are you guys scared? Come on, don't lie. Anyways, here's our mystery liquor. Watch the top corner, top left corner. He'll receive the first shot. And there you go. There it is right there. And seems like he's not affected at all. He might want to tell you something about the price of this liquor. That's the clue right there. So he's moving around. All right, he's looking for maybe a better spot, but he did not go into a little cocoon or a shell. So that's good to go. And here comes a second shot, and boom, right there, guys. That was a big shot. And you know what? Fair is fair. All the others had 2, except for the Jose Cuervo, because he couldn't handle the second shot. But this guy here is a champ. He's doing very well, and it looks like he's still foraging his Cilia came out along with his Corona, so he's still moving though, but he did not go into a ball, and that's a great sign. So let's go ahead and leave our little friends here in the microscopic world, and I'll let you know what this liquor is. Finally, the fruits of our labor this whole time. You guys stuck around, and I really appreciate that. It's so nice to taste the fine essence of a cigar, and also our wild card. I have a question I need to ask you. Did you pick the right one? Well, did you? The fruits of my labor of making this video for you all out there. So just let me pour myself a nice little glass of Macallan's. Fresh and clean. This cost me a lot of money for you guys today. I almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe.